What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Realme C75X won't send text messages. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps. After clicking on apps, then on top you can see the option app management. Now click on app management and then scroll down and find messages app and click on messages app. Now click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of messages app. After clear the cache memory, then check your network connection works properly or not. After check your network connection, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone. On top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it. Now enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.